This is why you need the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro in your life. Spoiler alert, it's a game changer for tech enthusiasts. Let's dive right into the pros. First up, the display. This bad boy unfolds to a tablet-sized screen, making multitasking and binge-watching an absolute breeze. And oh, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor? It handles heavy-duty tasks and gaming like a champ. Plus, for a foldable, it's surprisingly thin and lightweight. Your pockets will thank you. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The price tag? Let's just say it's up there with the high rollers. And the crease? Yeah, it's still noticeable. Lastly, if you're a heavy user, the battery life might leave you hanging before the day's out. So there you have it. The highs and lows of the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Is it worth the splurge? Only you can decide. Catch you in the next review.